For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all. Hard to know just how you grow from just a spark. It's wondrous. Feel it now, it's you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first try, from trumpet to falling to learning to fly. Show love and pain through each motion and meets the eye. It's the stardust that lights your
Oh man.
Haven't you ever had a dream? Something you wanted so bad you'd do anything?
Far off place where a voice keeps saying take you part of the way. You gotta help me along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I could and I'm almost there. I remember the detour every time still comes. But you gotta think of everything.
Will today be the day? You're ready to fly. I'll take it from you.
Come on, everybody, here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and charge your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls.
We could be immortal, but not for fun. Okay, here's the plan. We're going low and fast, take it by surprise. It's make your mama's proud time.
Don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
Oh, the windmill. Look at that. The old windmill.
I will never be good enough.
Wow.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The dirty may leave a scar. And scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who? It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Oh.